Peggy Dev is my sister, and Ajay Dev is my brother-in-law. I was born and raised here in America, and I was raised to believe that justice exists, is real, and is something that, as I was raised, to believe that it existed in a building right over there that we'll see soon, in the courthouse. And so when I walked into that courthouse during Ajay's trial, I expected to see something very specific. I expected to see facts. I mean, the question that we had, that a lot of people have, is why would a DEA bring charges against an innocent man that he knows to be innocent? That he has the evidence there saying that he's innocent. Why would a DA do that? He's a public defender. So I thought, walking into that courthouse, that I would see something that I hadn't seen before, something that would make me question. I prepared myself for that. And when I sat through his speech, his closing statements, I didn't see any evidence that suggested anything to me that he may even have a question about guilt. What I did see is a district attorney lying through his teeth. I did see a district attorney faking tears. I saw jury members cracking smiles and holding their faces while he faked his tears in front of the audience. An audience, because that was theater. That was not what I expected to see from an American justice system. Justice didn't happen there. We had a defense attorney that based his case purely on fact. It was unemotional, and that's what wasn't heard by our jury. The jury listened to the emotional argument of a district attorney that had no fact behind his case. And that is what burns me the most. Now, if most of you know Ajay Dev, if you don't, question that. Question, why is the logic behind this case? Why doesn't it add up? And if you still believe it, look at these signs. 378 years. This is a case of rape. You could murder a man and get less than that. I think you could murder probably about 10 men and get less than that. I don't know about the years, but there are too many questions about this case. If you don't know this case, look into it, because it doesn't make sense. And that should be enough for you to look deeper. That's all I have to say.
All right, Dev, come on up.